I have been super excited.
HD TV, fashion, beauty, love, life, wellness over here at Mary HD TV.
I have had a few deliveries from one of my favourite brands, REISS.
Mary HD, she eats too much.
Throughout my career in fashion and music, I know how important that is to be able to wear your clothing comfortably and feeling great at the same time. REISS are known for that timeless classic design, and I love how they are easily integrated into everyday use. Over the span of my career to date, really truly captured the timeless classic pieces that are suitable for everyday wear during the day or in the evening, and that's what I love about them. And if you are already aware of REISS, then you will know that their pieces with the tailoring is simply unmatched. So I am super excited to share my delivery from REISS with you all today, and then I will show you what they look like on afterwards. So this is my first box. And it's always the anticipation as well as, are they going to fit? And how will they look? And this is the demi off-shoulder chocolate brown top. I just love how this shimmers and the material just feels so beautiful. So I will show you this on. Going to be perfect to go with some jeans and heels too. A nice satin skirt that would look fab with as well. As you can see, I'm really obsessed. These pieces, I'm not actually sure which is in a couple. I'm going to basically be pleasantly surprised with yourselves. I knew this one. This is Gabby mink neutral trousers, which are beautiful in the colour, and I'm super excited to try these on and share them with you as well. I just love the quality of these. The fabric is just beautiful. I knew I would love this when I saw this on the website. This is the Sear metallic top. The detailing around the neckline, it has like a twist feature, and the sparkle. Just look at that fabric. Oh, it's just gorgeous. It's going to pair beautifully with jeans, or I could even wear it with old sparkly skirt, which will really give it that texture contrast. I'm obsessed with this already. That is going to look great on. I just know it. Just know it. Do you know when you just know? You just know. So now I will unbox this next one. And this is also a surprise, clearly, too. Oh my gosh. It's a gorgeous, beautiful cream. Oh my gosh. A drape neck shell ivory top, which is going to look amazing. I just know. Oh my gosh. Size 10. Excuse the mess. I did actually plan to do this a little bit neater, but there we go. Look at that. Oh, that is beautiful. Absolutely stunning. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I love it. I absolutely love it. That is gorgeous. Just look at the tailoring on that. I love that. And it's just beautiful in its design. I love this. Absolutely love this. And it will look absolutely great, I know for sure, with jeans or trousers, or a gorgeous pencil skirt as well with heels. Yep, it's just stunning. Or boots. And I'm going to try them all on and show you. And I just think it's fabulous. Classic in its design. Very interested to see what this looks like on. REISS are very well known for their contemporary, timeless classic design pieces, which are suitable for everyday wear and evening wear too. So I love that they're so versatile and encapsulate that essence of giving you a feel of confidence and style at the same time, so that you are in comfort. Fashion and clothing is always a form of expression. That's what I love about it. It's where that you feel comfortable and confident in what you're wearing, and I love the way that REISS really reflects that and encapsulate that within their designs as well. And it's not about being perfect. Like today, let me just show you, I couldn't find my matching earring. It's about being yourself and expressing yourself. I absolutely love just being myself. Knowing that you are special is very, very important, and that brand for me really encapsulates the way that you should be feeling within yourself when it comes to clothing, because of course you're special without it or not, but these pieces really capture that essence, and I will share them with you now, and I'm super excited to do that.
And subscribe now.